Imagine pulling into a breathtaking mountain campsite, not in an ordinary RV, but in a machine that looks like it just rolled out of a futuristic luxury expedition. The 2026 Toyota HikeCruze 696 Motorhome Luxury is turning heads everywhere, blending rugged off-road capability with 5-star comfort. If you've ever dreamed of traveling without sacrificing luxury, this incredible motorhome might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Stay with me, because this vehicle is packed with features that will completely change the way you think about adventure. At first glance, the HikeCruze 666 demands attention. Its aggressive front fascia carries Toyota's modern styling with bold LED headlights, a massive grille, and muscular body lines that give it an unmistakable presence. The biggest highlight is the 6-wheel drive setup, adding both visual impact and serious off-road capability. Massive all-terrain tires, reinforced suspension, skid plates, and widened fenders make this motorhome look ready to conquer deserts, mountains, forests, and snowy landscapes without hesitation. The body is carefully designed with lightweight yet durable materials to improve strength while keeping overall weight manageable. Large panoramic windows provide incredible outdoor views, while integrated LED lighting creates a premium appearance day and night. Roof-mounted solar panels help power onboard systems, making extended off-grid camping more practical than ever. Step inside, and the transformation is remarkable. Instead of feeling like a traditional RV, the cabin resembles a luxury hotel suite. Premium leather seating, real wood accents, brushed aluminum trim, and soft ambient lighting create a relaxing atmosphere from the moment you enter. The driver's cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster alongside a large infotainment touchscreen supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto navigation, and multiple camera views that simplify maneuvering such a large vehicle. Advanced voice controls allow you to manage entertainment, climate settings, and navigation without taking your hands off the wheel. The living area is equally impressive. Comfortable reclining seats, a spacious lounge, and a smart dining area create the perfect place to relax after a long journey. The kitchen includes an induction cooktop microwave, refrigerator, sink, and generous storage compartments for extended trips. The sleeping quarters are designed for maximum comfort. A large queen-size bed features premium memory foam, while additional convertible sleeping areas provide room for family or guests. Climate control keeps every section comfortable regardless of outside weather conditions. One of the standout features is the luxurious bathroom, complete with a separate shower, modern vanity, premium fixtures, and efficient water management systems that support longer adventures away from traditional campgrounds. Powering this massive motorhome is expected to be Toyota's advanced turbocharged diesel hybrid powertrain, delivering strong torque for steep climbs and heavy loads while improving fuel efficiency compared to traditional motorhomes. The intelligent 6-wheel drive system distributes power where it's needed most, providing exceptional traction on loose gravel, mud, sand, and snow. Toyota also equips the HikeCruze with adaptive suspension that automatically adjusts ride height and damping based on terrain, ensuring a smooth highway drive and confident off-road performance. Advanced safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, multiple surround view cameras, and trailer assistance features. Although Toyota has not officially confirmed pricing, industry experts estimate the 2026 HikeCruze 6x6 Motorhome Luxury could start around $280,000, with fully equipped versions exceeding $400,000. Depending on customization and optional luxury packages, the 2026 Toyota HikeCruze 6x6 Motorhome Luxury represents far more than transportation. It's a complete lifestyle designed for explorers who refuse to compromise between adventure and comfort. Whether you're crossing remote mountain trails or enjoying peaceful nights beside a crystal clear lake, this extraordinary motorhome promises unforgettable experiences. If Toyota brings this incredible concept to production, it could easily become one of the most desirable luxury expedition vehicles in the world. Let us know in the comments whether you take the HikeCruze 6x6 on your dream road trip, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting automotive content.
And I almost never know what I should say. Maybe nothing.